Want a powerful AI coding agent inside VS Code that can plan tasks, edit multiple files, run commands, and still cost you $0? Today, I'm showing you KiloCode, one of the best free open source AI agents right now, and the best free methods to use it in 2026. We'll cover built-in free models via Kilo Gateway, and using a free API key, plus a live demo where we build an advanced calculator app from scratch using free AI. Let's go! KiloCode is a free and open source AI coding agent for VS Code. It can plan complex features, edit multiple files at once, run terminal commands, switch between specialized modes. The extension itself is completely free. You only pay if you choose paid models. Today, we stay 100% free. Method number 1 is the easiest and fastest way to start using KiloCode for free. After you install the extension, open the KiloCode panel. Click on the model name shown at the bottom of the chat window. Now type the word free. You'll instantly see a list of models labeled as free. Just pick any one of them. You can also choose auto-free if you want Kilo to automatically select available free models for you. Now let's do a quick live demo using these free models. I'm going to create a simple to-do list app. Create a simple to-do list app in a single index.html file. Watch what happens. Kilo starts planning the structure, then generates clean HTML, CSS, and JavaScript automatically, all inside one file. Now I open the index file in the browser. And here's our working to-do list app, created in under a minute. This method is perfect when you want to start coding immediately without an API key. One important tip: go into the settings icon, then click UN Models, and set the small model to a free model. This keeps the entire experience completely free with no credit usage. Method number 2, using Google Gemini Free API key. Go to Google AI Studio, aistudio.google.com, sign in with your Google account, and create a free API key. In KiloCode, open Settings, go to Providers, and connect to Google Gemini. Paste your free API key and select an available Gemini model. Gemini Free tier is quite fast and powerful for coding tasks and works great as a cloud option when you want better quality than local models without paying. Now let's do a quick live demo. I'm going to ask KiloCode to create an advanced calculator app completely free. I'll use one of the free methods we just set up and give it this prompt. Create a modern calculator web app using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Include basic operations, scientific functions, calculation history, dark mode toggle, and a clean, responsive design. Put everything in one HTML file. Watch how it plans, generates the code, and structures everything. After accepting the changes, I open the file in the browser. And here's our advanced calculator with history, scientific functions, and dark mode. Built in under a minute using free AI. Pretty powerful, right? That's how you use KiloCode completely free in 2026 with Gateway free models and Gemini free API key. If this video helped you, hit the like button and subscribe for more free AI coding setups. Comment below and tell me which free method you're going to try first. I'll see you in the next one. Happy coding!